Urvil versus Tejas. And that's an top edge. And the catch will be taken. The Urvil goes out for a golden duck. As Titans lose their captain. Urvil will not trouble the scorers today. That's an edge. And yeah, given out as well. As Smith Patel, another opener, goes back to the pavilion.
Two back-to-back wickets, and Aditya Rawal is the player who has departed. Tejas Patel gets his second wicket, first in the form of Urvil Patel, then Aditya Rawal.
Not wrong. And Navigate is playing their fourth today. That is played towards the field, and another catch. Hemang Patel with the catch. Smith Patel now dismissed. Third wicket fallen for Titans. They look in disarray.
Tejas gets his third wicket in the second over. But are they checking something?
They have already taken 3 wickets. They will be looking for more wickets. Pulled away. Is somebody there? No, not. And that's a boundary. That's nicely played from Kushan Patel and finds the gap as well. That's sublime strike. थोड़ा जल्दी बोल दिया भाई. अभी मैं बता रहा था कि इन्होंने मुझे रॉन्ग प्रूव किया और तभी प्रांशु अपना विकेट गवाते हैं.
नहीं, मैंने काफी आगे तक बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेयर है, काफी मैच्योर्ड प्लेयर है और बहुत रणजी who recently won the RCB. That's in the air. Amit Desai strikes up. 6 coming up from.
Work was done, and if they manage to keep wickets in hand, I believe Pawnee they can think of 130,
That's
and that is
a boundary coming up from Kshitij Patel's bat.
inside edge.
And safe inside edge and a lucky boundary, I'll say, for Shane Patel.
चौके कहीं से भी.
That's in the air, but has it covered the distance? No, it hasn't. And a wicket, the first wicket coming up for the captain in the form of Aryan Kamli. And the 8th wicket falling up for Heritage. Ball in the air for a brief moment, and there's a 4 straight shot boundary coming up for Sundaram Divakar. काफी अच्छा शॉट है यहाँ पर और ये 4 रन मिलेंगे.
सुंदरम, क्या बात है. अति सुंदर सुंदरम का शॉट है. इनसाइड आउट, लॉफ्टेड ड्राइव. ओए होए सुंदरम, एक और छक्का. क्या बात है सुंदरम भाई, जलवे तो आपके ही है आज बैटिंग में. उर्विल ने निराश किया पर सुंदरम बोला मैं. So that's the end of the 20 overs. Top scorer was Kshitij Patel with 43. 134 for 9 is what Titans have got in the 20 overs. Target for Navigators will be 135 to win this game. We'll have the short innings break. We'll be back after a while. 4 wickets for Tejas Patel. Pick up the bowlers. 2 for Rakesh Kahar. 23 for 2. 37 for 4 for Tejas. And a wicket for Sejur and a wicket for Hemang Patel as well. पुल्ड अवे बाय प्रियेश और प्रियेश को मिलेगा चौका। बहुत ही अच्छे से खेलते हुए और
Kripal Barad, the second over for Heritage City Titans, and a boundary. There's a wicket. I thought it's gonna go for a boundary, but there's a wicket straight into the hands of the fielder, and Mana Ringrajia will have to depart now.
कृपाल
Wickets in 4 overs from Team Narmada Navigators, and that's another wicket on a hat trick, straight into the hands of Smith Patel. Oh, that looks very similar to what happened in the previous innings. There's a fine gap, gets a 4, a boundary. Boundary at the point. Javeer Singh. And a gap in the first ball from Ronit Patel.
That is lofted drive and 6 runs. One of the best shots that you can see goes towards our co-founder Shiripal side. Pulling that away really nicely along the carpet. Shots लगाने में कामयाब हो रहे हैं। 28 में 14 गेंदों में एक और स्वीप शॉट, एक और चौका। ये बेहतरीन बैटिंग है और अमित देसाई थोड़े नाखुश होंगे। रोनित पटेल के 32 रन।
In the air, but will it go for the distance? Yes, it has. It will cover the distance, go directly from the cricket to the football ground. 6 coming up from Priyesh Patel's bat. It's in the air, and that's out. Ronit Patel will be taken by Kshitij Patel. In the over of Shane Patel. 3 wickets falling down for Narmada Navigators. Of the match ceremony presentation. So I'm sure उनके फादर साहब उनके, और ये हवा में है, बॉल डिस्टेंस भी कवर करेगा और ये जाता हुआ यहाँ छक्का संप्रीत बग्गा के लिए। रूम बनाया और वो 6 मिलता हुआ पुल शॉट संप्रीत द्वारा।
ओए Sanpreet connects that, and that has, I think, disappeared. Another 6, third 6 for SB. That is Sanpreet Bagga. पिछले मैच में 100 के बाद आज 50 बनाने का मौका है उनके पास, और मुझे लगता है हो गए। प्रियेश और नेविगेटर्स ने स्टेटमेंट दे दिया है CPL में कि स्टॉप अस इफ यू कैन, और उसके साथ उनके 7 पॉइंट हो जाएंगे 4 मैचेस में। प्रियेश पटेल के 50, संप्रीत बग्गा के 36, दोनों की पार्टनरशिप के साथ नर्मदा नेविगेटर्स बड़े आसानी से इस रन चेस को कंप्लीट करते हुए और इस मैच को 7 विकेट से जीता है। हेरिटेज सिटी टाइटंस की एक और हार इस क्रिकेट प्रीमियर लीग सीजन 2 में, और नर्मदा नेविगेटर्स की तीसरी जीत। और इसी के साथ इस मैच की समाप्ति। We will have the post-match presentation with Pavneet in a short while, so stay tuned on this live broadcast on Fan Code. This is a match summary for you. Heritage City posted 134 for the loss of 9 wickets in the